Um, Shout out to my brother Troy for helping me out to get the truck back running. Big shout out to him and his wife. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it, Miss Bailey, helping me out. Without them, I wouldn't be able to get it fixed and done and everything. So that's showing a lot of love and support. I appreciate y'all love and support. Um, like I said, we got it going now. Shout out to them. So now we can get back running and getting Crimson Truck Pride 2 back on the road and doing this thing. What's going on, family? This your boy, and I'm out here with Crimson Truck Pride 2. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but the truck has been down. Right now we're changing the tanks, air tanks. We've been having a leak. We got one on right here, but we got to go get a wrench. It's big enough to fix the other side. And basically, with these things right here, you have to hold it with a pair of vice grips, some big ones, and then try to hold this to save it. I ended up buying 3 of these straps, which was $25 a piece, but I ended up saving these. So these are working. I'm going to keep the other ones just in case I have a problem. And let me come on this side and show y'all what we had a problem with. Last week we had differential went out, and we was on the highway. We was in Alabama coming back with a load of crane mats, and as you can see, that's the new one, differential, which is a Weller Remain. So it should be a pretty good one with a 2-year warranty on it. But what happened, we end up had a load on a load of crane mats, and it was coming back, and all of a sudden it was missing gears. Like when I had it in second or third, it was like it was in neutral, then would catch it in fourth. So I got on the interstate, and it went out. I heard something say, and then when I pulled over quick as I could, I didn't have no gears. All my gears from low to high was like neutral. So I just kept messing with it because, like I said, I don't like to be stuck on the side of the highway. I'm scared somebody gonna run slam in the back of me. Just so happened, by the grace of God and the Lord, got it in gear and was able to change gears and get it off to the shoulder of the road, off ramp. So I felt a lot more better. So we had to end up getting Crimson Truck Pride 2 towed in, and they said that something inside the differential was busted out and everything, and ended up creating a big problem. And like I said, I was down for a week and everything, so got it back running and everything, so we good to go. Other than that, that's about all I got for y'all. I was dealing with that issue and also dealing with my son issues. He's in critical condition, but it's getting a lot better. He's in Baltimore, so I went there for a couple of weeks. So he's progressing slowly but surely. All he needs, is a lot of prayer and stuff for him, and I appreciate all y'all prayers and shout out and support and everything. With that said, I think that's going to be it. We're going to wrap this up. We're going to finish that tank tomorrow. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you share, and also make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell in the top right hand side, I think it is, so when you want to get good future videos like this down the line. So with that said, this your boy, I'm out here. Roll Tide Roll, baby, for life.